Just spare that, and, you know, as far as you can then. Just wanna...
Is Abby chasing?
I'm recording right now, so hey, Abby, you're starring in the film. You gotta come back.
He's playing dead.
He's playing dead. That's hilarious. Very good, very good.
What?
We'll take a little clip of us, the two of us. Hi.
Hi.
Are you in front of what beach is it? Like a Dog Beach?
This is Dog Beach.
San Diego.
San Diego, California.
And we're here because we wanted to. This is the first beach outing ever since Steven made it home from Cuba. So I love you.
Love you too. That was gross.
Whatever.